This is an iOptron GotoNova 8405 hand control unit. It has a real-time clock inside, and this guy has had its battery die, so the real-time clock no longer remembers the times. It takes a CoinCell 1220 3-volt lithium battery. I'm going to show you how to replace that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws here you need to remove. After loosening these 6 #1 Phillips head screws, that guy's a flashlight, so don't put a screwdriver in there. You lift this up. I've already removed the old cell. To get it out, you just push this little wire up and pop the cell out. To put the new cell in, you just snap this into place, and this little wire will kind of pop just over the very bit of the edge right there. And then you can put this guy back in place. And should be good for another 10 to 15 years. Okay, I have the date and time set. I turn this guy off. I'll even unplug it for good measure. Turn it back on. And the date and time is remembered.